Hello, good morning students. How are you? Fine. Today I am going to discuss few numerical problems on the basis of Newton's second law of motion. All of you know that last week we studied here Newton's second law of motion. And according to Newton's second law of motion, which one formula we studied? F is equal to ma. Definition of Newton's second law of motion given the rate of change of velocity the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to applied force. The rate of change of delta p by t is directly proportional to applied force. But lastly, using this formula we can say that another one definition of Newton's second law, that is applied force is product of mass and acceleration. Applied force is product of mass and acceleration. Then on the basis of this formula, I am going to discuss two numerical problems. Which one given in your syllabus? You see this one. First numerical problem we are given that an automobile vehicle. Examples: an automobile vehicle, an automobile vehicle has a mass of 1500 kilogram. 1500 kilogram. What must be the force? What must be force? What must be force? Force between the vehicle and the road. Between the vehicle and road. Between the vehicle and the road. If the vehicle is to be stopped, if the vehicle to be stopped with a negative acceleration, with a negative acceleration of 1.7 meter per second square. Clear all of you? You see this question, what information given? An automobile vehicle has a mass of 1500 kilogram. What must be force between the vehicle and the road? If the vehicle to be stopped with an negative acceleration of 1.7 meter per second square. Solution of this question. Given that, first you will write what information given in this question. Given that M is equal to 1500 kilogram and A is equal to minus 1.7 meter per second square. we know that what F is equal to m into A. M value 1500 kilogram into minus 1.7 meter per second square. Meter per second square. 1.7 here given, right? Acceleration 1.7. 1.7 and 1.7 when we multiply, then 1500 this one minus, we will get here answer minus 255 Newton. If anyone students want to multiply, then you can multiply and keep it. Answer will come here minus 255 Newton of this question. One minute. This last line is not came here. 1500 into this 1.7. This is equal to minus 255 Newton answer. That's 255 Newton answer. Okay then. Next question I will see. Here. Example 2. Example 2. A stone of 1 kilogram. Example 2. A stone of 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram is thrown with a velocity. Kilogram is thrown with a velocity of 20 meter per second. Of 20 meter per second square. So 20 meter per second. Across a frozen surface. Across a frozen surface frozen surface of a lake and come to rest. Of a lake and come to rest. After traveling a distance of traveling a distance of after traveling a distance of 50 meter. What is the force of friction? What is the force of friction? Force of friction. between the stone between the stone and the ice solution of this here. Ice solution given that what's information given? A stone of mass 1 kilogram, am is equal to 1 kilogram, is thrown with a velocity means u is equal to 20 meter per second across the frozen surface of a lake and come to rest means what? Final velocity v is equal to 0 after traveling a distance of 50 meter. S is equal to 50 meter. What is the force of friction between the stone and the ice? Suppose we are throwing a stone like this, then what happens? That stone will be moving on the ice, and after covering a some distance, that stone comes in state of rest. To find the friction, what cause to bring that stone in state of rest? That is there friction between stone and ice. To find the friction, we first calculate what is the retardation in stone. To find the retardation in stone, this much information given, u given, v given, s given. All of you know that which one formula we can use from third equation of motion, or you can say yes from third equation of motion. From third equation of motion, third equation of motion, b square is equal to u square plus 2as. p value get 0, u value 20 square plus 2a into 50. Now you cannot able to see just down of this one, then I will write here. You see here, then 0 is equal to 400 plus 50, 100a. 100a is equal to minus 400, then a is equal to minus 4. F is equal to, therefore F is equal to m into a. M given 1 kilogram, 1 into minus 4. This is equal to yes minus 4 Newton. Means which one friction force acting on that stone? That is minus 4 Newton. This is your answer. And in this way we solve the numerical problem based on the Newton's second law of motion. Newton's second law of motion. After this, one very strong law I will discuss today. That is Newton's third law of motion. You will see here. Newton's third law of motion. Newton's third law of motion. Newton's law of motion. Newton's third law of motion. Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there equal and opposite reaction. Clear all of you? Newton's third law of motion. For every actions there equal and opposite reaction. This is Newton's third law of motion.